In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate hardware acceleration in VLC Media Player step by step. Enabling hardware acceleration can significantly improve video playback performance, reduce CPU usage, and help fix issues like stuttering, lag, or dropped frames, especially when playing high-resolution or high bitrate videos. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials, just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the VLC icon on your desktop, from the Start menu on Windows, or from your Applications folder on Mac OS or Linux. Once VLC is open, make sure you're on the main interface. Next, look at the top menu bar and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This will open the VLC Preferences window, where all the main settings are located. If you don't see many options at first, don't worry, we'll focus on just the section we need. Now, in the Preferences window, make sure you're on the Input/Codecs section. By default, VLC usually opens on this tab, but if not, you can click on Input/Codecs from the list. This section controls how VLC processes and decodes video and audio files. Once you're in Input/Codecs, look for the setting called Hardware Accelerated Decoding. You'll see a drop-down menu next to it. This is the option that allows VLC to use your computer's GPU instead of only the CPU to decode video. Click on the drop-down menu and you'll see several options. The easiest and most recommended choice is Automatic. This lets VLC decide the best hardware acceleration method based on your system and graphics card. In most cases, Automatic works perfectly and requires no further tweaking. If you're on Windows and want more control, you may also see options like DirectX Video Acceleration, also known as DXVA 2.0. Selecting DXVA 2.0 can sometimes give better performance, especially on Windows systems with supported graphics hardware. However, if you're not sure which one to choose, stick with Automatic for the safest and most reliable results. After selecting your preferred hardware acceleration option, go to the bottom of the Preferences window and click the Save button. This ensures your changes are applied. Now, this next step is very important. For the new hardware acceleration settings to take effect, you need to restart VLC Media Player. Go ahead and close VLC completely, then reopen it. Once VLC starts again, hardware acceleration will be active. At this point, you're done. VLC will now use your system's hardware to help decode videos, which should result in smoother playback and better performance, especially for high-resolution videos like 1080p or 4K. If this video helped you activate hardware acceleration in VLC, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.